Stop using AI just to chat. Google just has a hidden feature that 90% of users don't use that turns simple text into a fully coded website, a quiz, and a visual dashboard in seconds. There are some new updates in Gemini Canvas, and here is exactly how to use it. First, open Gemini, but don't start typing yet. Go to the top left, click on Tools, and select Canvas. This is the secret setting you need to unlock the interface. Now, watch this. I'm going to ask it to write a blog post about the solar system. Unlike a normal chatbot, look how it opens a dedicated document editor on the right side. It separates your chat from your actual work. You have total control here. You can delete any text, and it saves it on cloud. You can also undo it. I can also highlight the titles and manually change them to headings, just like in a Google Doc. It formats everything perfectly. But here is the real magic. You can also change the length of your text. Let's say this paragraph is too long. I don't need to rewrite it. I just highlight the text, click this little slider icon, and drag it down to Shorten. Boom! It rewrites it instantly. It can also suggest edits for you. You can even click Suggest Edits to have the AI fix your grammar automatically. Okay, are you ready for the best part? Go to the top right and hit the Create button. This menu is insane. First, click Infographic. It literally scans my text for data, like planet sizes, and builds a visual chart in seconds. No design skills needed. Look at this. Learning is more fun now. Next, hit Quiz. If you're a student, you need this. It generates a multiple-choice test based on your notes, and it even corrects you if you get an answer wrong. And finally, if you want to learn in an aesthetic way, here is the grand finale, Web Page. With one click, I just turned a simple text document into a fully coded, interactive solar system explorer. I didn't write a single line of code. This feature is free to use right now, so go try it out. I make tutorials like this every week to help you master AI. So if you learned something new, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next video.